it rings a bell, right? In fact, motion is a significant part of everyday life. This is one of the most important things of physics. Everything in the world is moving. Let me give you an example of motion. When you walk normally in the morning or when you close your eyes before bedtime, motion occurs. How about a book that falls off a table or water that comes out of a faucet? It exhibits motion. Even the air that we breathe exhibits motion. Every action performed by a body implies movement. This is becoming a very good topic for everybody. As a result, it led to an argument between two well-known scientists. I am Christian Shabok, and this is the Aristotle versus Galileo views of motion. Aristotle is a Greek philosopher and polymath during the classical period in ancient Greece. Taught by Plato, he was the founder of the Lyceum, the peripatetic school of philosophy and the Aristotelian tradition. He believes that a natural motion of an object is returned to its natural state based on its composition. Like how a stone fell to the ground, because the stone and the ground were similar in substance. In terms of the four basic elements, they were mostly earth. And how smoke rose away from the earth, because in terms of the four basic elements, it was primarily air. This emphasized that every object has a proper place in the universe and would seek their natural resting place based on its composition. Galileo di Vincenzo Bonaiotti Galilei, commonly referred to as Galileo Galilei, was an Italian astronomer, physicist, and an engineer. He was the first to use a telescope to study the stars and planets, and discovered various astronomical phenomena and physical principles. He believes that the motion of an object does not depend on its composition, as per Aristotle. An object can move freely in the absence of friction. Friction is the force that opposes motion. A force is not needed to sustain horizontal motion. According to him, a projectile's path is the combination of horizontal and vertical motions of an object. Galileo explains that vertical motion in the form of gravitational acceleration and horizontal motion occurs at the same time. These motions are independent of each other, and they are always perpendicular to each other.